How to fix Spotify music not sharing on Instagram. So if you want to fix the Spotify music not sharing on your Instagram, then first open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, you need to go with a song. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you choose the song, now here on the bottom right, you will have a share option. Go with share. Once you go with share, now you need to go with the Instagram stories option. Tap on Instagram stories. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the Instagram stories, and you will have this kind of interface on your Instagram stories, and after that you will be able to share it. But if you're not having this kind of interface, and if you're facing an issue, then what you need to do is open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Spotify, and here if you have any updates under your Spotify, then go and update the application. Once you've updated, you can go with Instagram, search with Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, now here if you have any updates under your Instagram, you can go and update your Instagram also. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can delete the applications and then again reinstall it, and after that restart your device. Simply press and hold on to that power button and restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Spotify music not sharing on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.